In this video, I'll show you how to wear your PowerBeats Pro. So this is my ear, and even if you wear glasses, that's not an issue. Check the inside here and you should see if it's an L or an R that you see. So this is my left ear, I'll put the left one. The easiest way, okay, is to insert the tip of the PowerBeats Pro inside of your ear and then put the clamp on behind your ear. So hold them, insert in your ear canal the tip, and this, okay, this small clip, you need to put them, I'm trying to make it so you see everything, okay, put it right above your ear like that, and then you just have to turn the whole setup until it locks in place like that. And now it's secure, I can move my head, it will never fall down. When you want to remove them, do the same thing but in reverse, so rotate this way and then you'll be able to lift them out. Let me show you again, okay? So over here I insert the tip, this small clip, I'll put it right above my ear, behind it, and then I rotate the whole unit. This is my mic, by the way. I put it on my glasses, this way you hear me well. So it's very easy, and at first it may look complicated, but I guarantee you after a few days or even a week, this will be totally natural. So one last time, insert in the ear, put the clip, rotate.